Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Shaibu don join body with other ogbonge people to celebrate one ogbonge son of Edo State, the Esama of Benin Kingdom, Sir Chief Gabriel Osawa Igbenijo CFR CON, as we celebrate im 89th birthday. For the Thanksgiving service for the 89th birthday of the Esama of Benin Kingdom, wey shele for St. Gabriel the Archangel Catholic Church for Benin City, Oga Shaibu come shower praises and talk sweet talk about Sir Igbenijo, who he call legend. Oga Shaibu, wey sidon from the beginning of the service till the end, come talk say Sir Igbenijo na good helper wey don touch many people lives and say dem celebrate the grace of God for him life. Oga Shaibu come still talk say e no common for people to celebrate other people when they dey alive. Say most times na when people don kpai na dem dey hear people dey talk good of them. E come still talk say no be the amount of money or titles wey Sir Igbenijo get or receive, but Sir Igbenijo don do good for other people as na part of him life.
It's not common to have people like him or human beings being celebrated like this when they are alive. Most times when they've gone, you start hearing different encomium. But for the God's grace in him, you can see for a long time, up to 89, we are still pouring encomium on him. He's alive, he's hearing us, he's seeing us, and he's being celebrated. And he's not sacrificing. Everybody have attested to the fact that he's a philanthropist and he's a giver, and he has impacted in the lives of people, and hence the celebration. And you can hear from the homily today, it's not the amount of wealth, it's not the title that he has received that is important, but the life of philanthropic gesture that he has lived. And for us Catholics, charity is one of those things that God has asked us to continually do. And when you do charity, it cleans all the sins and other things that you'll have done knowingly or unknowingly. So for me, he's a legend that is being celebrated while he's alive, and he remains a legend in our lifetime.
For the Thanksgiving service, plenty ogbonge and top ogas dem for government wey dey inside and outside Benin City tanda together to celebrate Sir Igbenijo. Make una no forget say as we dey see am and so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Omo Ikayere, TMC TV News.